Hello guys, welcome to this video. To make the Thor's hammer, first I right click and subdivide the cube in the edit mode. I select this face and I hit E in the keyboard to extrude this, and I hit B to bevel this part. I select these edges in X-ray mode and I bevel this part also. I am selecting, deleting and joining some of the vertex here. I select this face over here and I extrude and scale this now. I bevel this and I extrude this face now. I hit Ctrl plus R to add a loop cut over here and I scale this part up. And here is your hammer ready, and you can find the link for this 3D model in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe.